Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can disable the downloading option for your YouTube videos. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open your YT Studio application on your device. Once you open the application, you need to go to the content. So once you go to the content, from here, you can choose the type of the content. So I will just choose the long videos. Just for the sake of this video, I will select any video, suppose this one. So once you selected this video, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the pencil icon, which is the edit option. So once you go to the edit option, you will find at the bottom tags, short mixing, and all of these things. You need to scroll down where you will find allow embedding. So you need to disable this option. So once you disable that one, you need to go back and then tap on the save option to save the new settings. And this way you can disable the downloading option for this particular video. So if you upload a new video and you're doing all these things like the tags, short, and everything, the visibility and all the settings that you're changing, so all you need to do is to go to that option and just disable the embedding here, allow embedding. So you need to uncheck it. So that's where you can disable the downloading option on this particular YouTube video. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.